Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jessica and today I'm going to share with you how I make the most simplest, easiest, delicious Mexican rice. And if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button below so you don't miss any of my videos. For today's recipe, we will use 1 Roma tomato, half a white onion, tablespoon of chicken bouillon, some canola oil, and 1 cup of rice. Okay, so once your pan is warm, we're gonna add a little bit of oil. You wanna make sure you coat the bottom. So, there we go. We're gonna let it heat up. Once it heats up, we're going to add the 1 cup of rice. Alright guys, now that my pot is warm, I'm gonna go ahead and add my cup of rice. And I'm going to stir constantly until it's a slight brown color. You want to keep stirring because you don't want to burn the rice. So you're going to do this for about 3 minutes. Okay guys, so my rice is a little brown. It's getting a little crisp. I'm now going to add the tomato and the onion. I'm going to fry that for just a bit. After I've fried the onion and tomatoes for a bit, I'm going to add the chicken bouillon. Mix it in there. The chicken bouillon gives it such a great flavor. And last but not least, we're going to add our water. And we're going to add 2 cups of water for every cup of rice. During this time, you can go ahead and taste the juice itself to see if it's good on salt. Perfect. So now that I've added all my ingredients, I'm going to wait for it to come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, I'm going to close it up, lower the heat, and let it cook for 15 minutes. Alright guys, as you can see, my rice is now boiling. I'm going to give it 1 quick stir. Now I'm going to cover it up, lower the heat, something low, and we're going to set the timer for 15 minutes. Alright guys, the 15 minutes is up and this is what it looks like. It's nice and fluffy, super simple, 15 minutes. So as you can see, a very easy recipe. Onions, tomatoes, chicken bouillon, and the rice. Nothing to it, 15 minutes. And it's super fluffy. So full of flavor. The chicken bouillon is what gives it the flavor. That is optional. You're welcome to use salt, chicken broth, whatever salt of your choice. I recommend chicken bouillon because it's so flavorful. Again, thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and click that subscribe button below so you don't miss any of my videos. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.